Welcome back to the Chatter Kids. Today I have a very interesting, yummy and quick recipe, and that thing's name is Pinwheel Sandwich. Yay! So let's start! So for making the Pinwheel Sandwich, we need 3 breads. So now I got the 3 breads. Now I just need the rolling pin until someone gets it for me. Okay. So we take the plate and put it aside. Take 1 bread and put it and we roll it very gently. Let's take the another bread and roll it. Okay, friends? Now we keep the next bread too. And we do the same thing in the last bread also. This is how much thin we need to roll. If we don't make it this much flat, we cannot roll the bread. So all my breads are ready. Now I'll put it in the plate. So for the first layer we need mayo and ketchup. So can somebody please give me? So we now have the ketchup. And now I need mayo also. And I got the mayo. So, and then we take the spoon, pour it in. So now we take 1 spoon of mayo and put it inside to make it orange. So let me take 1 spoon. And we will mix it now. Okay, it's done. Let me take the bread. Take the spoon. One second. Let's put it. Oh, I think I need to add some more. Oh, first I need to tell someone to take the bowl. So can someone please take the bowl? And now we take the butter knife and spread it evenly. Okay, friends? Look, it's such a nice orange color. So now we will put this bread aside. Can somebody please take the knife? So now this slice is done, we will put it in the plate. And then, can someone please give me the cheese slice? Now we will take the cheese slice and open it. So now I've opened the cheese slice. I can roll it simply but very gently. Either the cheese slice will be torn. That's right. So let me take off it from the plastic wrap. Put it aside. And can someone please give me the rolling pin? Let us roll it gently. Now we put the cheese slice gently on the bread. So let us take the second bread, put it over here. So now we will take the cheese and put it on the bread and put it over here. Let me put it. We will take some coriander, chutney and some mayo, but don't take so much much of mayo. It will become so light, so light. Okay? So can someone please give me the coriander chutney? So I have the coriander chutney, and then now I need the mayo. Now we will take the tablespoon. So now we will take 1 spoon of mayo inside the yellow bowl and mix it, okay? Now we will take the third layer of bread and spread the chutney on it, okay? So let me take the bread, put it, and let me take all of it in one go. I don't want to make it slow like that. Can someone please take the spoon because it's so dirty? Okay, now let's spread it. Let's keep this green bread aside. Oh, who made these cute pinwheels? I made it. First we take the green layer, then the white layer, then the orange layer, okay? Now let's hold the silky bread and put it over here. And then take another silky bread, put it on top of it. And take the last bread and put it over here. And then the trickiest, we need to roll it gently. So now I will roll it. Now we take the knife and cut it into thin slices. So can someone please give me the knife? Okay. Now let's. So now the pinwheel sandwich is ready, so let's taste it. It's so yum! And a little spicy too. This is a perfect snack for the tea party. So invite your friends and have fun. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel. If you like the channel, give a big thumbs up. Bye bye friends. I will think a new recipe again. And see you soon. Don't forget to ring the bell.